You ever close a trade immediately and regret it? Or worse, hold on to a loser and hope it turns around? That's emotion, and it's bleeding your account dry. The best traders don't feel, they follow. They don't hope, they execute. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade with little to no emotion, so you can start thinking like a machine and winning like a pro. What's up, traders? If you're tired of letting your emotions wreck your trading account, today's video is going to shift the way you think forever. Trading isn't just a strategy, it's psychology as well. And if you can master your emotions, you can master the market. I'm going to break down 5 principles and mindset shifts that I took to help me stop trading like a gambler. And if you're serious about leveling up, we have a Wednesday night webinar where we're going to be discussing some trading strategies, some trading basics, and a little bit of psychology as well. It's 100% free, but don't worry about that. We're going to talk more about that at the end of the video. Number 1, accept losing is part of the game. If you're new to trading, you might have this preconceived idea that you can make 100% of return in a matter of minutes, and you can also be 100% right all the time. And that's just not the case with trading. You need to accept that there's going to be losing days in trading, and you will take losing trades. If you think about it like this, if you win 80% of the time, that means out of 10 months, you're going to have 2 losing months and 8 winning months, meaning you're still going to be profitable. But there is no world that we live in where there is a 100% win rate in trading. It's just not possible. So get comfortable taking the stop loss. And remember, taking a stop loss is also a good trade, because a lot of people, they don't even take the stop. Number 2, never chase. If you missed it, you missed it. The worst thing that you can do is try and chase after a trade that's long gone. And I know from personal experience what's happened to me when I used to do this is I would take the trade after missing it, and then it would go against me. My risk to reward would be totally out, and I would end up taking a bigger stop than usual, mostly because I was just chasing a trade that I missed. Number 3, limit your screen time. If you're going to stare at the charts the whole day, you're going to start to see things that you want to see. The ideal thing you can do is trade at specific times during the day when the markets are most volatile. Trade for an hour to take your profits, leave, be done with it. And it's important to remember not to be greedy, so be happy with what that market gives you. So us as the systems traders, we trade at specific times during the day. We'll trade the JSE All Share Index in the morning and the German DE40, otherwise known as the DAX, in the morning. We don't really trade the FTSE, it just trades at too low of an index number for us, so we like to trade with anything 20,000 plus. Afternoon, we're going to trade the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, and same with the evening as well. Number 4, use a predefined trading plan. Before you start trading, you need to figure out a few things. Firstly, how much are you trading with? That's going to give you the position size that you need to trade at. Secondly, you're going to need to understand what strategy you're going to be trading. And thirdly, build a spreadsheet for yourself to start tracking stats, to start tracking the types of trades that you're taking and the emotions that you're feeling as well. Once you have those 3 things in place, you can begin trading. So a lot of people, when they try and trade strategies, they're mainly finding stuff off YouTube or the internet, and they're trying to just trade those strategies blindly without testing them. So go back to your testing and know that whatever you're trading, whatever strategy you are trading, it is tried and tested and has a win rate of 80% plus, just like ours do. Now, this might sound crazy, but number 5 might even be the most important. Have a life outside of trading. A lot of people don't realize that when you're trading, you are giving yourself a lot of mental fatigue, and that can really impact the next trade that you're going to take. So having other activities that you're doing besides trading can really help, whether it be exercise, traveling, seeing friends, whatever it may be. Make sure you do something else outside of trading. It can really just clear your mind when you're going into the new day. So sitting in front of the screens all day is really not ideal. It's not helpful to anyone. So what we do at the systems traders is we have 3 trading sessions. We trade the morning, afternoon, evening, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, and then we're done. And a lot of the clients don't even need to trade all the sessions because they can make their target in 1 session. Even us as traders, we have our lives outside of trading. What we are doing is we're traveling the whole of South Africa at the moment. And we previously did Nelspruit and Middelburg, did a little bit of traveling there, caught up with some of our clients. Soon we're going to be going to KZN, so we'll see you very shortly, and hopefully you can trade with us as well. Look, emotional trading is what separates the average traders to the elite traders. You can have all the indicators, all the strategies, but if your head isn't locked on right, the market will expose you. Start small, pick 1 or 2 of these principles and apply them to this week's trading, and you'll see the shift. That's the webinar. We're hosting a webinar on Wednesday evening. It starts at 7 p.m. If you're interested, the link is in the description to sign up. We will send you a Zoom link to join. In the webinar, we're going to be breaking down how to systemize your trading, remove emotion, and go through tried and tested strategies. It's live. It's interactive and it's also 100% free. Drop a like if this helped, comment what helped you the most, and I'll see you guys around soon.